got it set up that way before. Huh?
So now that we have the hole the right size, we can put our Ryko switch on. It actually has a breakaway cable on it. We are planning on redoing the propane system. Checking all of our running lights. Some of them work, some of them don't. Trying to figure out why, if we need to completely replace them. Okay, so we are out here today trying to see if we can change out the old plug connector for one that will work with a modern vehicle. So he's drilling out the access plate, and we have to have everything work if we're going to take it down the road. Okay, so we have the old one out, and we have pulled a wire through with it. So we're going to connect the new one too and thread it back through. Taped on our pull thread, if you will, our pull wire, and hopefully it's going to just needle right on through there. In came through.
And I thought I had my pen knife.
Nice and pretty.
I thought I had the pen knife and I don't.
So now we can disconnect our thread and reconnect the wires all up.
I don't think we're going to do the wires tonight.
We are rewired.
I seriously thought about soldering them.
Yeah,
And the proper way to do it would be soldering them.
You can do that if you wish. Practice or something?
Yeah. Take a lot of soldering down in here, but I hope I just put too much tape on it.
Yeah, we put a lot of tape to hold it together.
Oh, here you go. Okay, underneath the trailer, their Airstream has put a nice, convenient panel. You simply remove the screws. I think there were 2 screws. And you drill out a few of the pop rivets. And all your wiring is in here. So we rewired the wiring from the tow vehicle, and all the wiring's underneath here. It also has a relay switch, a 30 amp, if I remember correctly, relay switch that I bought at a auto parts store. And the wiring is very easy. I will show you the chart here in a minute that you can find in your owner's manual. And then also I found a chart of the plug-in on the tow vehicle. This is your standard 7-plug wire. It was very easy. We simply bought this on Amazon. I'll put where I bought it from in the link below. You can also probably get it many other places. But it simply goes through the frame, and it goes down, and comes out under that little access hole, which is very, very convenient. This is a copy of the wiring diagram that you will find in your owner's manual. This is for our 1966 Airstream Caravelle. I think I only had to switch 2 wires. And then this one here is from the back plug-in of my tow vehicle. And this is pretty standard. And so you simply notice the colors of each of the wires, and then the colors of the wires here and I was able to match them over. And in the process, we have brake lights, turn signals, running lights, and we have the battery being charged. All those I know are working. The only thing I haven't tested yet is the brakes, the electric brakes on the trailer, because our tow vehicle does not have a brake controller in it yet. So I thought I would just give you this quick overview.
So we're checking out our new pigtail plug-in, whatever it is. See if it's going to work. He's got it temporarily wired. If it's going to work right, then he'll run it down through the frame and wire it up the way that he has researched it. So he's checking. Looks like running lights are working. So there's our new connection. He got it in and all wired and soldered and shrink wrapped and what all they do with that. And it all works. So our next on the list is to see about checking on the brakes. You got to get a brake controller. Turn signals working, running lights working. Yeah? Gotta go around that way too? Alright. Got them down that side. It's pretty. And the other blinker's working.
Pound on this and it gets brighter.
Yeah, some of them are a little temperamental, so hopefully they stay on. Maybe we need to go in and deal with the grounds, maybe. But hopefully they stay on for inspection. If not, we're gonna work on them.
We need to work on some of the grounds.
But it does look pretty. See if we can get the fuses out here while we fight through the mice nests. Thankfully no mice yet, just nests. We're sure, but the electricity works. And we have lights where we have them turned on. And we're very thankful for that. Yeah, they call these the wedding cake lights.
Wedding cake.
Because of the layers.
New license plate. Oh no! I wired it and I forgot to put it through the hole. Okay.
Well, it's a good thing you enjoy working on 50-year-old Airstreams.
Yeah. I'd rather work on them than 50-year-old Lincolns. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And also, if you think this is interesting and you have friends out there be interested in it, please share. We hope to see you next time. Thank you again.